14 years ago, I told you a story and I became this eco-conspiracy theorist. I was like, oh, all these companies trying to kill us. They're not trying to kill you. I put it this way. I'd like to believe that these these companies that are making these products, chemicals or textiles, are benevolent. They actually have the best intentions in mind. They don't want to kill you. They want to sell you, right? They want to sell you stuff. They just want to make money. They just want to sell you stuff. They don't want to kill you. They want to sell you. So, you know, and I use this analogy often is like, you know, we go to the store now, you go to the big box store, go to Costco, and you buy, I don't know how many bins of organic spinach we've bought from Costco over the years, right? It's like I have pallets full of them at my house, right? Well, here's the thing. Like, organic spinach is the same price as spinach now. The chemical GMO crazy stuff. Well, why is that? Because a bunch of farmers became philanthropists? No, it's because enough people said, I want organic spinach, and they were willing to pay for it. And what happened was so many people were reading, oh, the spinach is getting E. coli and we need organic this, that farmers had to figure out how to scale production of organic non-GMO spinach, or they were going to lose market share.
Right.
So enough consumers voted with their dollars. Businesses had to pivot. And now organic spinach, I mean, how often do you go to the store and see spinach? I mean, the organic spinach aisle, offering is 3 times as big, and it's pretty much the same price. It's because consumers voted.
Yep.
The more we vote with conscious companies that are doing good things, industries will pivot. I mean, there's a reason why you go to the store now, all these major companies are doing refills, right? It's just release a refill platform. Release a refill platform. Why? Because I invented it. We pioneered it. We started the industry. We showed that enough people were willing to vote with their dollars that they didn't want to throw plastic in the ocean. They didn't want plastic going to the landfill. They wanted refills. We pioneered it. It was really hard for us to shift an industry. We shifted an industry. Now all these major companies are trying to keep up with us. Why? Because we pioneered. So enough people said, this is what we want. Industries pivot.